Hey everyone, and welcome to this explainer. Today we're going to unpack something that is quite literally changing the game when it comes to workflow automation. We are diving deep into the mechanics and the everyday impact of Grok Bot. Now, we hear a ton about artificial intelligence these days, right? But usually we're talking about a chatbot or maybe a brainstorming buddy. What we're exploring today is a massive, massive leap forward. We're looking at how this technology transitions from merely thinking with you to actually physically doing the work for you. So, let's dive right in.
I want to grab your attention right out of the gate with this thought. There wasn't anything to learn. It was just like bringing on a coworker to my team. Just let that sink in for a second. Whenever we adopt new software, there's always a learning curve, right? You're reading manuals, you're sitting through those long tutorials, you're trying to figure out how to speak the software's language. But this isn't just a piece of software. It operates with a total zero onboarding philosophy. It's designed to just seamlessly integrate into your existing flow, exactly like a capable new hire would. We aren't looking at a faster search engine here. We're looking at an autonomous entity that sits right alongside you in their digital workspace.
Section 1. Meet your new coworker.
Section 2. How Grok Bot actually works.
Okay, so this is where things get really fascinating. We need to look under the hood at the technical mechanics and see how this tool actually functions in the background, because this architecture is exactly what makes that coworker experience possible. And the process? It is brilliantly organic. Step 1, it just watches how you work. Step 2, it records what you're doing. And Step 3, it summarizes that into a real workflow. You don't have to meticulously code a macro or, build some complex API integration. You literally just do your job. The bot observes your actions, synthesizes the steps, and turns it into a repeatable process. It learns your workflow entirely without disrupting you.
Now, there is a critical juxtaposition here between traditional AI and Grok Bot. Think about almost every other AI product out there. The output happens right there in the chat interface, right? And it usually requires your active screen. But Grok Bot is a completely different beast. Its output happens somewhere else entirely. Why? Because it uses a separate computer instance. It operates in parallel. You can just keep doing your own work completely uninterrupted on your machine, while the bot is off executing tasks simultaneously on another instance.
And here is the absolute secret sauce. It operates a real browser instance that truly understands how sites actually function. It's not just, scraping text or taking wild guesses at back-end code. It essentially has a browser open and interacts with the web just like a human would. This is exactly why this background operation is so incredibly effective. And more importantly, it builds a massive layer of hands-off trust. You know for a fact it's navigating the tools the exact same way you would.
Section 3. Daily features in action.
So we know how it thinks and how it operates. Let's look at what this technology actually looks like during a typical chaotic workday. You can confidently hand off an incredible variety of tasks. You could tell it to, hey, send NDAs to all campus leads, or ask, count how many employees I have starting on Monday. You can have it parse through companies on LinkedIn, or simply tell it to go off and send a batch of emails. And remember, all of this is happening on its own separate instance. You give the command, and it just goes and does the work.
Now let's actually slow down for a second and look at a very specific, honestly incredible use case. Imagine you're sitting in a meeting. You have a Figma agent running quietly in the background. As the meeting progresses, this agent is actively holding all the discovery notes. And then, completely behind the scenes, it begins actually creating a slide deck based on the conversation you're having right then and there, right up until the end of the call.
And the result? The call wraps up. A colleague looks at the finished deck and asks, "Wait, how did you create that during the call? That's incredible." It genuinely shocks people because the AI is doing all of that heavy lifting in the background while you remain entirely present and engaged in the conversation.
And hey, if that wasn't mind-bending enough for you, these bots can actually talk to each other and give direction to one another. This is where we cross into truly autonomous territory. They coordinate amongst themselves. They pass information and instructions back and forth entirely without human intervention. You are essentially managing a team of digital workers who collaborate with each other to get your projects done. How wild is that?
Section 4. A new way of working.
All right, so we've talked about the mechanics and the daily features. Now we really need to discuss the broader philosophical shift happening in our daily work and how this leads to the ultimate consolidation of our digital tools. Because of how capable Grok Bot is, it fundamentally changes your desktop behavior. Users are finding that it's literally replacing all their other apps. You find yourself living exclusively with your bots inside one single window. Think about the app fatigue we all suffer from. constantly switching between a dozen tabs, logging into different platforms. This new workflow eliminates that constant context switching. Everything is just centralized right to the bot.
What we're seeing here is that we have fundamentally evolved from an AI thinking partner to an AI doing partner. A thinking partner helps you brainstorm, right? It drafts some text, it passively waits for you to take its output and apply it. But a doing partner, it actually executes the tasks. It acts naturally, it clicks the buttons, it sends the emails, and it operates without those traditional limitations. It actively does the things you used to have to do yourself. And honestly, once you experience that level of support, the finality of this paradigm shift is absolute. Once you build that layer of total trust with the bot, you really can't imagine going back to an old way of working. I mean, why would you ever go back to manually clicking through routine tasks when you have a dedicated partner handling it all for you in parallel?
So I want to leave you with this final, somewhat provocative thought. Think about your workflow today. What apps would you replace right now if you had your own AI doing partner working alongside you in a separate instance? It's a fascinating question, and it's one we're all going to be answering for ourselves very, very soon. Thanks so much for joining me on This Explainer, and keep questioning how you work.